everybody. Well, it's afternoon again. Welcome to 307 country. Beautiful day out. I mean, there's not even a breath of a breeze. Probably 50, 55 degrees. Awesome. We got a little project we're working on. I'll show you what it is when we get to that point. We'll start working on some stuff here and you'll see what the final product and what we're doing with it. So I got a piece of rebar here, a couple lags. This is some number 5 rebar, 5/8. Need 2 pieces of it, about 2 inches long. Get some light on the subject there. These don't have to be exact for what we're doing, but we'll get it close. Alright, we got those cut off. Got a couple of lags here, these are galvanized. I prefer that they weren't galvanized, but I'm not going to worry about it too much. Grind it off, get it cleaned up a little bit. Weld this? Sure. Got my kids here, they're better welders than I am. Chill, stop it. Or at least one of my kids here. Let's see. Let's weld it over here, and you can stand on that side. What we're going to do is weld these onto here. Get a tack on that. Okay. Turn it on. Alright, so where it goes, just like that. Yep. Doing a good beat in there. We'll spin it and we'll do the other side. We're using flux core wire, no gas. Need to get a cone for that. put on there, but with flux core it works good because we don't have any gas. So then we'll be back when we get these done. Alright, we got those all welded up. They're stuck on there. I wouldn't put my life on it, but for what we're doing, this will work. I'm going to take the grinder and round the top of this off a little bit. Now I just tried to fit this in what we're doing with it. Didn't work all that great, so we're gonna let's say that that's hot. So we're gonna grind a little off the diameter. Probably ought to be able to tell what these before by now, but I'll see if I can straighten this out just a little bit. Not too much. Pretty close to square. Alright, we'll be right back. Show you what we're using these for. Well, if you didn't figure it out, these little jobbers are hinges for chain link gate. So what we're going to do, we'll figure out about where we want them here. So about that high, we'll make a mark there somewhere. I want to level them up, or plumb. Want them to be plumb. Actually, that post is pretty dang close. Let's see where that bottom one lines up. Yeah, somewhere in there. We broke out the old antiques for this job. Got a brace and bit. We'll see how good this baby works. Just for our pilot hole. I would say it probably needs sharpened a little bit, but it's not doing too bad. Let's see here. Yeah, I probably want to go in all the way there. Oh, the wind came up. That's going to make a little difference in the sound quality. It's been beautiful up to this point. You can hear the blackbirds over there in the trees somewhere. I'll have to get a file out, sharpen this bit up a little bit. I haven't used this thing in a long time. Actually, kind of a cool story about this. This place that we're at here, my girlfriend's house, the previous owners that lived here had a big yard sale before they moved. And we're talking like 10 years ago. So I came out to the yard sale and I bought this brace and bit with, there's actually a couple of them. There's a bunch of antique stuff I bought, boxes of things. And bits and stuff. And so I actually bought all this stuff right here before my girlfriend bought this place. We'll kind of see how far we want to go in there so that we can latch still. And a little ways more. Now this one I want it pointed down. Hope everybody's doing well out there with all this coronavirus stuff going on. Now we'll throw a level on these, see how plumb they are. Looks like that bottom one's got to go in a ways. Quite a ways. good. The reason I did that one on the bottom like that, going up, that'll go on there. This one, in the way there. Yeah, that's about right off the ground. Then this one comes up from the bottom, and that way your gate just can't be lifted off the hinges. Check it for plumb this way, because you can kind of push those hinges around. That's pretty good there. All right, we got a functional gate. Build some hinges. There we go. All right, everybody. Have a good day. We'll see you on the next one. Stay safe out there. Keep your masks and your hand sanitizer and your Lysol spray handy. And we'll talk to you on the next one. 07 out.